we have to remove symbols of grouping and simplify. In this example, we have parentheses and we have brackets. So first we have to check what we can do in the parentheses. We have m minus n, different terms. We cannot do anything, so we have to rewrite them. We have m, and we take down the parentheses. We have m minus n. Next we have negative sign. We have to copy, and we have to go to the brackets. We copy brackets. We open brackets, and now we have to check what we have inside. We have parentheses, m minus n inside parentheses, different variables. We cannot combine them, so we have to take down the parentheses, and because before parentheses we have negative sign, it means we have to change every sign of every term to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So m we have to copy, and now because we have negative sign, like I said, we have to change positive m to negative. Next we have negative, so now it will be positive n, and we have to rewrite negative n, close brackets, and we have plus 3n. Next we have to do our operation in the brackets. So m minus n we have to rewrite, negative sign, open brackets, and we have the like terms. We have m minus n, so we can cancel out m minus m is 0, and we have n minus n, so it also gives me 0, so we can cancel out. So in brackets we have 0, and we have plus 3n, so this is equal. We don't have to write the 0, so we take down these brackets, and let's forget about 0, so we have to copy m minus n, and now will be plus 3n. This is equal. Now we have to check if we have like terms. We have negative n and positive 3n. When we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1. So we have to copy m, because we have only one term with m, and now we have different sign before these two terms. We have to keep the sign of the larger number. 3 is greater than 1, so it will be positive sign, because before 3 we have positive sign. And now we have to just subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. And we have to rewrite. So this is my solution. We have different terms, we cannot do anything.